Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a great car. It's a 1965 Plymouth Satellite. Very nice car, guys. I actually took this car in on trade from a buddy of mine. A lot of people know him, Dan Cook, owns Dan Cook Racing. Big Mopar guy, loves Mopars, loves to go fast. He's owned this car for quite a long time. It's actually an older restoration. Matter of fact, we know a buddy of ours, actually the one that did the paint work for him when he restored this car. It's about a 10-year-old restoration. It's finished. It's a factory white car. Of course, it's a two-tone with the turquoise top and the turquoise interior. I believe most of the interior is actually original. He's upgraded it, put a 440 underneath the hood with a nice little cam to it. Great car, good solid straight body. You can see it's got a set of 15-inch rev, the torque thrust style wheels on it. 727 Torqueflite automatic. I like the fact it's a bucket seat with console car. But very nice car. You know, you can see a couple little stone pecks, but very nicely done. It looks like the front grille here is original. Again, you can see a couple little touch-up marks. Chrome and stainless is nice. Sorry about the spitting snow here. Spring's supposed to be here, but old man winter is holding on. Again, good solid car. Car runs out good. If anybody knows Danny, everything he's got is gonna run. He likes performance. Dash in there's nice. Glass is nice. Good car. Bunch of cars coming, guys. I apologize. I've been on the road. In fact, I think I'm off this weekend, but then the next 3 weeks I'm on the road trying to buy cars, but I got a bunch of stuff coming. I know the guys just sold a couple this weekend that never got advertised, and people get upset with me with that, but we're here to sell them, not advertise them, guys. Nice and straight down the sides. I love the wheels on this car. It's got the Cooper Cobra rubber. New dual exhaust. Good looking car. Love the wheels. They've converted to front disc brakes. So it's a very drivable car. Power steering, front disc brakes. Again, this is not the original motor. It's got a 440 in it with a Mopar aluminum intake. Nice little cam to it. Edelbrock 4-barrel. Power steering, front disc brakes, stock exhaust manifolds. Again, 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. You can see it's got the Mopar radiator with a shroud. Original fender tag. Snapped a photo of that too. Snapped some photos of the underside for you too. It's clean. Nice car, man. Nice driver. Looking for something fun, a Mopar that you don't have to break the bank for? I think you'll have a blast with this car. A-pillar chrome's nice. That stainless is in good shape. Door handles are nice. Again, you can kind of nitpick some of this interior, but it's original. I like the bucket seats with console too. A lot of these things, you know, were bench seats. Buckets, console. It's got an aftermarket stereo system in it. showing 45, 493. Mess with him. I have to ask him about that. I did not ask him about the miles on it. So it's got the stock AM and radio in the dash. It's got aftermarket underneath. It's actually a tach and gauge car. That cluster's really nice. Those are your remotes for the radio. Dual exhaust. It's an 8 3/4 373 sure grip rear end. It's pretty cool. Here's all your there's your window sticker, broadcast sheet, the sales sheet. It's spackle coated in the trunk. It's solid. Factory jack with spare in here. Again, we took some nice photos of the underside for you. Give you another look here. Just a good car, man. You see a couple of marks on the console there, but it's original. Dash is nice. Good car, man. Again, little cam to it. And it scoots. It's got some performance, guys. Gauge is working. Looks like all your gauge is working, except for the tach, right, Jay?
Yeah.
Tach's the only thing that does not work. Gauges. Backup lights work. Hear that cam work a little bit too. Aftermarket radio, it works. Blower motor, Jay?
Yep.
Blower motor does work, guys. Ooh, it's cold. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Got a little sunshine poking through here. Have a great day, guys.